Okay, so following on from the previous video where I showed you how to connect this bracket securely to the tongue, as you can see the back, that's what it looks like from behind when you feed these bolts through with a spring washer, and you have the tongue and the extension bracket. Here we have a frame bay, and we have an up angle frame bay. You will simply connect this to whatever distance the wall is. In this instance, it's at that distance there. We've got these holes here. I'll simply put these 1/4 inch bolts through and then follow up with the nylock nuts that go under them, like so. That is now how you connect it. You don't have to use the extension if you don't need to. If the wall of your van is about here, then this extension piece is redundant.